Hello guys, what is up? My name is Pradeep Kumar. In this video, I will be discussing with you the reality of MTech. This is kind of an extension of the video which I have made already 3 years ago. तो उस वीडियो पे काफी अच्छे responses थे, comments भी थे regarding pros and cons of doing MTech. सबसे पहले यार मैं थोड़ा introduction दे देता हूँ अपना. So I have started my GATE preparation in 2018. So by doing self study and watching the RBR videos, I was able to crack GATE with the rank of 839. And then I was getting good opportunity which college to take. So I took IIT Delhi. I was also getting IIT Bangalore and some NITs, but I prefer IIT Delhi. So there is a separate video around it. So now after graduating from IIT Delhi, I got placed in Qualcomm with intern plus full-time opportunity. So in Qualcomm, I worked in a very interesting team, which is data modem, where I worked on developing software products for the routers, your modems, whatever you use in your iPhone, and the high-end routers also. So that was a really interesting, my tenure was there. So I spent about 2.7 months. With the internship, it was approximately 3 years. So after that, I decided that I should move to some different domain because I have already good experience in networking domain. I don't want to confine myself with the same domain for the rest of my life. I thought ki rather take a chance, and I have joined a different company. So this company works in the cloud domain. We worked on the cloud infrastructure and how that infrastructure is going to be managed. So that is a pretty interesting work, and I will be making a separate video about how my life is here. This was all possible because I give the GATE exam. After that GATE exam, I got IIT Delhi, and then this company, then that company. So now let's just quickly discuss about what if I have not done MTech and I would have taken a different path. So BTech के बाद मेरी जॉब लग गई थी already, around 6-7 LPA की जॉब लगी थी. If I would have taken that, then I would have gained some experience in that industry. It was service-based company. I would have learned different things, and here and there, it's a back-end system, front-end system, all those system I would have learned. So after that, I need to switch to get to the payment or the money-wise compensation which I was getting in my first job. So I have to struggle a lot to reach that package. It was a really good package with good bunch of stocks was given. It has to be a sequence of that switch, but I would not say it is impossible. So there are a group of friends of mine who was in BTech and they didn't appear for the GATE, and now they are in the really good positions. They are some guys are doing really good. Those were the guys who were doing coding really well. So like they were the grandmaster. They have spent so much time in doing coding. So that's what rewarding to them. So they are at the same position as of mine in terms of compensation. Some might be more, obviously. So I would not say कि that's a bad decision for them to not appear for GATE. But this is video for the guys who thinks that GATE exam is worthless. So my first job was really good. I was given a really good amount of money which you would dream of. Okay, कि भाई पहली सैलरी इतनी है तो ग्रोथ अच्छा होगा, तो ऐसी चीज़ें थी ये. It was a dream salary for me. So that was it. That was the life we were living. I was living in Hyderabad. So दिस इज इट. लाइक आई विल रिकमेंड कि आप अगर सोच रहे हो गेट कि भाई एमटेक करके वेस्ट हो जाएगी लाइफ, एमटेक करके टाइम वेस्ट होगा, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. जो स्ट्रगल आप 2 साल करने वाले हो वो एक अच्छे कॉलेज में जाके स्ट्रगल कर लो. आपके साथ एक अच्छे कॉलेज का टैग रहेगा, आपके पास नॉलेज भी आएगी क्योंकि कॉलेज में पढ़ाई भी अच्छी होती है. आप हो सकता है कि डिफरेंट डोमेन को एक्सप्लोर करें. देयर आर फ्यू फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन हु वर very good with the data science subjects. They are now data scientists directly from the college itself. So it's a good rewarding career switch for them, like the domain switch itself. So this was an answer to those people who think that GATE is a bad exam. Okay, जो 6 LPA की जॉब जिनकी इनिशियली लगी थी, उनमें से सिर्फ 50% लोग ही हैं जो अच्छी सैलरी पर पहुंच पाए हैं या अच्छा इनकम वो कर रहे हैं. There are 50% of people who are still struggling phase. They want to switch. They are preparing on and off, with office, without office. There were many people who were depressed because the workload which the company is giving to them, because they have some bond. So it is a tremendous amount of work. They're crying, they're calling and crying, man. This was happening and this is real stories. Now let's discuss how industry rewards MTech people. So when you join, most of the companies, when you join directly from the BTech, they will give you SD1. Or in SD1 itself, there are multiple levels. So they will give you the fresher level. But if you join directly from MTech, they will give you an upper level. So this I have seen in Qualcomm also. In Qualcomm, if you join directly from BTech, you will get associate engineer. But if you join directly from MTech, you will get engineer. So somewhere, some companies, I would not say everyone, some companies definitely rewards doing MTech. So if you see, there are many companies, when they ask for the requirement, they mention 4 plus with BTech and 2 plus with MTech. So the experience also they reduces to somewhat. For example, Microsoft does this a lot. Now let's just discuss what is current reality of MTech, like how is the placement scenario, is placement worth it? So I will say the industry now going in a down path because of the over hiring in the times of COVID. Now industry is kind of due to that AI advancements also, the number of people required is less. And now recently you have seen those news, Google is planning to cut off 15% of their workforce. Amazon is planning to cut off managerial positions. So this is going to happen, and this is the reality. So you cannot avoid it, because company is at any day, they just care about their profit. They don't care about, let's just be very clear, you are a resource to the company. So don't think that the company is your family or something. So nowadays placement scenarios are slightly dipped. Last year placements were really bad in MTech, in triple IT itself. I will put the numbers here, exact numbers. So what are the numbers? But it was not that good. People were asking for referrals. People were around there, they are on their feet to find the job. I will highly recommend you have to be in the top 15%, 20% student wherever you are going. If you are watching me, so that's, I highly encourage that no matter what is the condition, if you are in the top 15%, 20%, you will any day will get the job. So just try to be in that position, just try to be in those situations. Don't fall in the category of average people or above, below average. There, a very gray line. You are at the same place, but still the opportunities are less for you. The reason is that simple. So now finally, on the ending notes, I would highly recommend you, if you are planning for the GATE exam, go for it without a second thought. If you think that you can prepare and you didn't get a much chance to prepare in the BTech, but you really want to go in the top colleges, but second chance of going into IITs, NITs, triple ITs, it is a very good opportunity. Without any second thought, you can enroll it. If you think that you can study for hours, okay, you have to study for 3 to 4 hours every day. That is must for GATE exam. Exceptions are always there. But yeah, if you have any queries, you can reach out to me on TopMate. We can have one-to-one discussion where I will basically looking into your scenario, your condition, and suggest you the better what you have, what you can do, what you can try. Because there are many people who are confused between the GATE and placements, GATE and college, or maybe MTech. They are confused about the higher education itself. So I can definitely fill you in and give you a right direction and track you if and guide you to the right place. कमेंट करके बताओ कि कौन से टॉपिक्स पे आपको वीडियोस चाहिए. आई विल ट्राई टू मेक दोज वीडियोस एज वेल, and I'm there to help you, and I'm there to help you if you have any doubts regarding higher education, regarding coding perspective, regarding how to prepare for PG CAT is also coming. So you can definitely reach out to me. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care, namaskar.